Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add filters to your collection at Shopify. So let's say you have tons and tons of products that you are selling, and you need to find, for example, a collection, winter collection, or all your products that are in a summer collection. It's very easy. We have to go and we have to focus on the left side of our screen here in products, which is third option from the top. And as you can see, we have inventory, transfers, collections, gift cards, and we want to go just in the products. On top right corner underneath the add product option is this little glass, and we have product vendor, which is me, Marcus Stone, tagged with status, and we can add more filters. So availability, product type, collection, publishing error, or a gift card. So with gift card we don't have any, so we can easily clear that. Or product type or availability. For example, on all channels we don't have anything, we have everything in online store. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.